Optimal dust collector performance starts with the installation. That's why every dust collector we sell is assigned a project manager and install team to ensure a smooth and successful project.
Sometimes you can have the best collector around, but if you don't apply it properly, you're going to have a bad industrial ventilation system. And that's not the dust collector's fault, that's the application. That's the installation or how you design your system.
We look at our customers not just as someone that provided a purchase order, but also a partnership with them. We want to provide them a service that's going to keep their operators safe and keep their production running smoothly.
We offer a 100% turnkey installation process so you don't have to worry about a thing. And every installation is completed by highly qualified technicians employed and trained by RoboVent. Never unqualified third-party contractors.
We're the only company that provides a 100% turnkey solution. The design, the sales, the manufacturer, and the installation. And as a result, that allows us the opportunity to guarantee our solutions versus buying a collector from XYZ company, hire an ABC company to install it. You don't know that the collector is going to perform for what it was intended or designed to do. The quality of the install of the duct is going to be what it should be. So no one else can guarantee a system the way that we guarantee it because we are start to finish RoboVent.
Our professional project management installation teams will get it done right, get it done fast, and get out of your way.
From an installation standpoint, customers should expect us to come in, be as least intrusive to their process and their personnel as possible, which is what we strive to do. My guys typically don't work just 8 hours a day. We go in, we do what we got to do, get the job done, and we get out of the customer's way.
Your project manager will communicate every step of the way, so you're never in the dark.
Communication is always key, knowing what we're going to do, when we're going to do it, being on time, and following through.
Our customers really enjoy working with our project managers because of the constant communication that they have and the loyalty and dedication that those project managers experience with those customers.
Our teams know dust collection inside and out, from filter maintenance to ductwork design. We'll optimize your system for collection efficiency, energy use, filter life, and fire and explosion safety.
My guys are pretty much broke up into teams. The guys that run those teams that have worked for me for 25 to 27 years. They know what I expect. They know how the job needs to be done. They hold themselves accountable because I've held them accountable for so many years.
And we guarantee optimal performance for your collector with 100% satisfaction.
The quality of the work that I expect out of my employees and the workmanship that they install is held to a higher standard. And if my guys can't deliver on what they're doing as far as the installation goes, then the customer is not receiving what they paid for, in my opinion. Our performance guarantee is probably the ultimate statement as far as accountability. We hold our people accountable, we hold our product accountable, and we back it up with the guarantee that we give to our customers so that our customers have a way of holding us accountable.
With RoboVent, you are guaranteed fast, friendly service, a knowledgeable install team, excellent project management and communication, and a dust collection system you can trust.
We have a lot of positive feedback from our customers because they're very happy with the end results of our systems once they're installed.
I mean, knowing that you're going into a clean work environment is a lot different than knowing that you're going into a place where you have to struggle to breathe. Knowing that you improved those people's lives so that they don't have to breathe that gives you a sense of satisfaction.
Get it done right with RoboVent.